There's sweet Vivian. She's having her a good time just playing by herself. She loves to play. She's gained some weight since she got here. She's doing really well. Her hair's gotten a little bit thicker, but not too much. It's very silky. It's not real bushy. She says, okay, I'm going to get that toy.